여러분 안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Welcome to William's Korean class. Today we will study 문장 이어 읽기. That means sentence reading. We studied Korean alphabet, consonant, and vowels, and how to combine them. So from today, we will practice how to read words and sentences. There are some rules when you read Korean words and sentences, and today we will learn one rule. Please take a look at this rule. When a syllable ends in a consonant and is followed by an empty consonant, this one, the final consonant sound is shifted to the initial position of the next syllable. What does this mean? Please take a look at here. I think you can read now this one. This is 밥을, right? This 밥, this syllable ends in a consonant like this, right? This syllable ends in a consonant and is followed by an empty consonant. Is followed by this empty consonant. And in that case, the final consonant sound is shifted to the initial position of the next syllable. Because this is empty consonant, no sound, this final consonant sound is shifted here. So look at this, like this. So we don't read this one 밥을, but we read like this. 밥을. Can you understand? Okay, 밥을. Okay, let's practice one more time. And here too. This is 먹, 요, right? But when we read or when we speak, this final consonant sound is shifted to the next syllable because this syllable is started with empty consonant like this. Okay. So when we read or when we speak, we pronounce like this. 먹어요. Not 먹어요, but 먹어요. 먹어요. 밥을. So let's practice one more time. This one is 밥을 먹어요. Okay. Let's practice some more. Okay, here. If you read this one by one, this is 봄, and this is 이, 봄, 이. But this final consonant is shifted to the next syllable because the syllable starts with empty consonant. It has no sound. So this final consonant is shifted here. So the pronunciation is 봄이, 봄이. Okay, I think now you can understand this one. Also, this final consonant move to next syllable. 손을, 손을. So if you read this like this, 손을, 손을, not 손을. Okay. And then Next one. 잡아요. You can see here, this syllable ends in a final consonant, and next syllable start with empty consonant. So this final consonant is shifted to the next syllable. So how can you pronounce this one? 잡아요. 잡아요. Okay, let's practice to read one more time. This one, 봄이, 봄이. Actually, 봄이 means spring. Spring. 손을, 손을 means hands. 잡아요, 잡아요 means hold. So actually, this sentence means spring holds your hands. Okay, let's go to the next practice. Okay, can you read this? 음악. This one move here, right? So, 음악, 음악. In writing, we should write like this, okay? But in the pronunciation, when we read or when we speak, we pronounce like this. So please don't get confused. In writing, you should write like this. But when we read, we call it, we pronounce it 음악, 음악, like this. Can you read now? In here, the shifting is happen, right? So this one move here. So the pronunciation is 한국어, 한국어. Okay, and also this consonant shift here. Okay, next one. If you read this word, I think you know this consonant move here. Okay, so let's read this one. 할아버지, 할아버지. Okay, let's read one more time. 음악, 음악. 한국어, 한국어. 할아버지, 할아버지. Like this. Okay, let's practice some more. And here also, this final consonant, this 받침, move to next syllable. So this is 집에, 집에. And next one. So this final consonant move to next syllable. So pronunciation is 꽃이, 꽃이. And next one. Also, this final consonant move to here. So when we read 이름이, 이름이. Okay, let's practice one more time. Please read this. 집에, 집에. 꽃이, 꽃이. 이름이, 이름이. Okay, let's practice some more. Can you read now? This 받침 is shifted here. So the pronunciation is 걸어요, 걸어요, 걸어요. Next one. This consonant is shifted here. So 작아요, 작아요, which means to be small. 작아요, 작아요. And next one, I think you can read now. Can you read? This 받침 move to next syllable. So 다다요, 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 다다요. Okay. Okay. In another rule, if there are two consonants in the 받침, the final consonant position can be two consonants, can be. The further consonant sound is shifted to the next syllable, and the closer consonant becomes the 받침 sound of the first syllable. What does this mean? Okay, look at here, please. Okay, two consonants in the 받침. Okay, two consonants in the 받침. And the further consonant sound is shifted to the next syllable. So this one. The further consonant sound is shifted to the next syllable, and the closer consonant, this one, closer consonant becomes the 받침. This one will remain as a 받침. So the pronunciation will be 안, 자, 요. This one, 안. This one is remain as a 받침, and this final consonant move to next syllable, 자, 요. So if you read this, 앉아요, 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 like this. Okay, let's practice one more. The same rule, because there are two final consonants, two consonants in the 받침. So same rule. This further consonant is shifted to the next syllable, and this closer consonant will be as a 받침 here. So if we pronounce this, 읽어요, 읽어요. Okay, let's read one more time. 앉아요, 앉아요, 읽어요, 읽어요, like this. I hope you understood. Okay, same rule. Let's practice. Same. This final consonant is shifted to the next syllable. So the pronunciation is 없어요, 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 없어요. Okay, next one, the same, right? This second final consonant move to the next syllable. So if you read this, 맑아요, 맑아요, 맑아요. Let's read one more time. Can you read? 없어요, 없어요. This one, please read. 맑아요, 맑아요. Okay, I'm sure you understood now. What about this one? There are two final consonants here, right? But actually, this is not two final consonants. This is a double consonant. So in that case, the same 그 sound double, right? We studied double consonants before. In that case, this double consonant is shifted to the next level. All of this double consonant is shifted. So if you read like this, 다, 까요, 다 까요, because this is double consonant. And one more time. Okay, same, right? Double consonant is positioned in a final consonant, 받침. So in that case also, this all double consonant so shifted to the next syllable. So the pronunciation is 있어요, 있어요, 있어요. Okay, please don't get confused. Okay, let's read one more time. 다 까요, 다 까요, 있어요, 있어요. Okay. Let's practice to read some sentences. Okay. Please take a look at number 1. And then you can check where the shifting sound will be happen here. Where? Here. Because when it start, when one syllable start with empty consonant and the syllable ends with a final consonant, the consonant sound shifting is happened. So here, right? This one will move here. What about here? Also here, right? This 받침 is shifted to the next syllable here. So if you read this, can you read? So please try to read by yourself. Okay, got this. Look at this. 창문을, okay, 창문을 this one shifted here. 닫으세요. So 창문을 닫으세요. You should read like this, or you should speak like this. No, 창문을 닫으세요. We don't say. 창문을 닫으세요. Okay, you should say like this. Let's practice one more. This one is a little bit difficult, right? Okay, here. This final consonant shift to the next syllable. And also here, this final consonant shifted here. And this also double consonant as a final consonant shift here. So if you read this, 사진을 찍었어요. 사진을 찍었어요. At first time, it's a bit, you can be confused and looks like confused and looks like complicated. But if you practice more and more in reading, you'll get used to. Okay. Let's move to number 3. Here, right? This final consonant move here, and this final consonant move here. So can you read? Okay, if you read like this, 책에, right? 책에 이름을 쓰세요. 책에 이름을 쓰세요. Okay, I already wrote the meaning of the sentence here because today our focus is reading the sentences, not the meaning of the sentence. And let's practice number 4. Sound shifting happen here, right? 물을. And we hear one more here. So 싶어요. Okay. Can you read this? 물을 마시고 싶어요. Like this. 물을 마시고 싶어요. 물을 마시고 싶어요. Okay. And next. Okay, take a look at this sentence. Sound shifting happens here, right? This sound is shifted here and also here, right? Oh, this final consonant should be shifted here. And one more time here, this final consonant shift here. And here too, this double consonant as a final consonant, they will shift here. So if you read this, 아침에 병원에 갔어요. Okay. In this case, this is final consonant, the same as this basic consonant, but basic consonant does not have sound value here. So in that case, this 병 sound is still remain here because they are the same. So if you read this like this, 아침에 병원에. This one is still remain as a final consonant because the next syllable is also the same sound. So 병원에, this one move to next syllable. 병원에 갔어요. Okay. This one is a little bit difficult because this one is a little bit exception. So let's read one more time. 아침에 병원에 갔어요. Okay. And this one. Can you read this? This is not complicated sentence, so please try to read this one, number 6. 저는 한국어를 공부해요. 저는 한국어를 공부해요. Okay. Like this. 저는 한국어를 공부해요. Okay. I hope you understood today's lesson. This is end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoy it. Okay. 감사합니다. Thank you. See you next time.